Hello everyone, thank you for joining me in today's practice. Today we're gonna be working on our strength and flexibility. So let's start by warming our upper body. Start by lifting your arms all the way up and lower them down. As you lift your arms, pretend that there is this string pulling you up from the ceiling. Take a deep inhale and lift. Now, with your arms above your head, lean to the right side and then to the left side, feeling that stretch in your sides. Now start drawing circles with your arms. Draw large and controlled circles. You don't want to spin your arms here. Now let's stretch our hamstrings. So hold your hip bones and bend forward. So here you want to bend from your hips and not from your back. So what you want to do is you want to bend forward, but you don't want to round your back just for the sake of touching the ground. So make sure that your back is straight and you're leaning forward, lengthening your spine, feeling that stretch in your hamstrings. Now let's do some twists. Bring your hands in front of your chest, and what you want to do is you want to place your right tricep above your knees and gaze towards the ceiling. So you're going to be twisting your body here. Now switch your left tricep above your knees. Repeat one more time on the right side. And now on the left, your back is straight. It's like you're sitting on a chair. Repeat on the right side. one last time on the left side. Now let's sit on the floor. Now walk backwards with your hands, puff your chest up, and bring your shoulder blades towards each other. Alright, now let's move on to the strength part. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna lift your hips off the ground. Your knees and your ankles are aligned, so are your shoulders and wrists. Lift your hips off as much as you can and come back down. Up and down. Don't forget to breathe. Take a deep breath in. Now find a comfortable seated position just to take a moment to relax. Now meet me in the tabletop on your hands and on your knees with your toes tucked, and lift your knees off the ground. We're gonna be doing the downward facing dog with our knees bent. So your knees are bent. Draw your chest towards your knees. Lift your hips towards the ceiling. Push the mat away and make sure your back is straight. Bend your knees as much as you like. You can stand on your toes or on your feet, however you feel comfortable. Great job. Now let's rest in the child's pose. Place your torso between your knees and lengthen forward. Now let's move on with the plank pose. Again, this is an amazing pose to strengthen your whole body. You want to stay in a straight line, so don't sink your hips and don't lift them up too much. Just try to stay in this straight line. Lower your knees into the ground and get in the child's pose to rest. Our sequence is almost over. So just lift your arms up and down just to give some relief after all of those planks and downward facing dogs. Lift up and down. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!